Have you ever wondered how those perfectly soft, warm tortillas ever come to life? Stop by in the store brand and learn how to make your own delicious tortillas from scratch. We'll show you how to make our homemade tortillas recipes so that way you can elevate any meal that you make. Okay, so we're going to take our all-purpose flour and make sure you guys use a knife to even it out so that way you're not using too much, because you don't want more than what's needed for this recipe. Next, we're going to use kosher salt, and we're going to also put baking powder in this, and you're just going to give that a good whisk around in the bowl. So next, we're going to make a well in the flour, and we're going to go ahead and pour in our vegetable oil, and we're going to slowly add in warm water while we mix this with our wooden spoon. And you want to make sure you don't add the water in all at once at first, because you want to make sure that the texture is crumbly. And you can add a little bit more water if the dough seems dry. So just be aware of that. Okay? And we're going to just knead this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the dough is kneaded, we're going to just place this back into the bowl. And we're going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So that way that helps the salt dissolve and the ingredients mesh together. Okay, so after the dough is rested, we're going to cut the dough into small, even pieces. As even as you can get it. Next, you're going to roll the dough into 1 to 2 inch balls. And try your best to get them even sized balls. If you have to cut and adjust, do so. And we just want to cut these in half and just roll them into like 1 to 2 inch balls. And we're just going to take the rolling pin and you're going to roll it out to about a 6 to 8 inch flat circle and get it as thin and as flat as you can. And then we're going to take our hands and you're just going to finesse it outwards to kind of help shape and form a circle. Just like that. And after you rolled it out thin, you're just going to cook it 30 to 60 seconds per side, or until it's has those light golden marks on them. Okay, and you see how it starts bubbling? You're going to just flip it. All right, and we're going to go ahead and check it. Oops. Uh-oh. And there you go. We're just going to repeat the process for each tortilla. All right, and here it is, fresh made, warm tortillas. Look at it, soft. See, you can bend, fold it. Just a nice stack of beautiful, soft, warm tortillas. All right, we hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Comment down below if you are going to try this tortilla recipe of ours. And also, don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.